In today's fast-paced world, the rise of technology has been unstoppable. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives. And this trend is not without its consequences. One company, Klarna, a leading fintech company, has made a bold move in response to AI's growing capabilities. Cut to a sleek office environment. Narrator, Klarna, known for its innovative digital payment solutions, has recently decided to halt hiring new staff. This decision comes as a result of their firm belief in the capabilities of AI. The company's workforce has already shrunk from 4,500 to 3,500 employees, with the potential for further reductions. In the future, cut to an interview with Sebastian Siemiatkowski, CEO of Klarna. Sebastian Siemiatkowski: "We must acknowledge the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence. It has shown great potential in performing various tasks traditionally carried out by humans. We believe that AI can handle most of the roles within our company in the near future." Sebastian Siemiatkowski, the visionary CEO of Klarna, firmly believes in the power of AI. He envisions a future where machines are capable of performing complex and mundane tasks, allowing human employees to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. The decision to reduce the workforce at Klarna is not just about cutting costs or increasing productivity. It reflects a much broader trend in the job market. As AI continues to advance, it is expected to impact various industries and job sectors worldwide. The statistics showing the impact of AI on jobs. According to a study conducted by the World Economic Forum, it is estimated that by 2025, machines and algorithms could handle up to 50% of all workplace tasks. This shift in employment dynamics raises concerns about the future of work and the need for human adaptation. News headlines about AI and automation. Klarna is not alone in embracing the potential of AI. IBM, a global leader in technology, also supports AI and automation. IBM's Watson, a cognitive computing system capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, has been widely adopted across industries. It is clear that AI is here to stay, and companies must adapt to this new technological era. While the reduction in Klarna's workforce may seem concerning to some, CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski is optimistic about the future. He believes that as AI takes over repetitive and mundane tasks, remaining employees will have the opportunity to focus on higher value work. This, in turn, could lead to increased salaries and a more fulfilling work environment for those who adapt. Furthermore, Sebastian Siemiatkowski giving a motivational speech to employees. Sebastian Siemiatkowski: "We must embrace change and embrace the potential of AI. Our employees are our greatest asset, and by leveraging AI's capabilities, we can empower them to do what they do best. Think creatively, find innovative solutions, and provide excellent customer service. Let us embrace this new era and shape the future of work at Klarna." As the world continues to witness the impacts of AI on jobs, companies like Klarna are leading the way in embracing this technological revolution. With a vision for increased efficiency, higher value work, and a brighter future, the integration of AI into the workforce is an inevitable step forward.